Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the basics of electricity, tailored for CBSE Class 9 and 10. We begin with Section 1, Introduction, where we will lay the groundwork for understanding electricity. Electricity is a controllable and convenient form of energy, essential for powering our homes, industries, and hospitals. It is the backbone of modern communication and drives sustainable transportation. Electric current, denoted as I, is the rate of flow of electric charges Q through a cross-section of a conductor over time t. The formula is I equals Q flash T. The SI unit for current is the ampere A, where 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb per second. Conventionally, the direction of current is opposite to the flow of electrons. Smaller units include the milliampere and microampere. An electric circuit is a continuous and closed path for electric current. Key components include a cell or battery as the energy source, a switch for control, a load like a bulb, and connecting wires. Now let's move on to Section 2, Voltage and Resistance. Potential difference V is the work done W to move a unit charge Q from one point to another. The formula is V equals WQ. Its SI unit is the volt, named after Alessandro Volta. A voltmeter measures potential difference and is connected in parallel with high resistance. An ammeter measures current and is connected in series with low resistance. Ohm's law is a core law stating that current I is directly proportional to the potential difference V at a constant temperature. This relationship is expressed as V equals IR, where R is the constant of proportionality called resistance. For an ohmic conductor, the graph plotting voltage V against current I is a straight line passing through the origin. The slope of this line represents the resistance R. We are now starting Section 3, Factors of Resistance, exploring what influences it. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, meaning doubling the length doubles the resistance. It is inversely proportional to the area, so a thicker wire has less resistance. Resistivity, represented by the Greek letter ρ, is an intrinsic material property. It does not change with the conductor's length or area. The formula is RHO equals RA/L, and its SI unit is ohm-meter. Next, we will review Section 4, Combinations of Resistors. In series circuits, the current is the same through each resistor, and the total voltage is divided. The resultant resistance is the sum of individual resistances. Text Rs equals text R1 plus text R2 plus text R3. In parallel circuits, the voltage is the same across each resistor, and the total current is divided. The reciprocal of the resultant resistance is the sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances, which results in a total resistance less than the smallest individual resistance. This visual summarizes the differences between series and parallel circuits concerning current, voltage, net resistance, and the effect of a component failure. Moving on to Section 5, Heating and Power. Joule's law of heating states that the heat produced H in a resistor is proportional to the square of the current I squared, the resistance R, and the time T. The formula is text H equals text I squared, text RT. Practical applications include the electric bulb, which uses a high melting point tungsten filament, and the electric fuse, a safety device made of a low melting point alloy to break the circuit during high current. Electric power P is the rate at which electric energy is dissipated or consumed. It is calculated as text P equals text VI. The SI unit is the watt, W. The commercial unit of electric energy is the kilowatt hour, kWh, commonly called a unit. 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 3.6 by 10 to the power of 6 joules. Section 6 covers magnetic effects of electric current. The right-hand thumb rule is used to find the direction of magnetic field lines around a straight, current-carrying conductor. The thumb points in the direction of the current, and the curled fingers show the direction of the magnetic field. A solenoid is a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire. The magnetic field inside is uniform, and it behaves like a bar magnet. Adding a soft iron core creates an electromagnet. Fleming's left-hand rule helps determine the direction of the force on a conductor in a magnetic field, often called the motor principle. The thumb represents motion or force, the forefinger the magnetic field, and the middle finger the current. Finally, we explore Section 7, Domestic Circuits. Domestic wiring uses 3 wires: the live wire, typically red or brown, carrying 220 volts, the neutral wire, black or blue, completing the circuit at 0 volts, and the earth wire, green or yellow, a safety wire connected to the ground. Safety is paramount. Short circuits occur when live and neutral wires touch directly. Overloading happens when too many appliances connect to one socket. Fuses and miniature circuit breakers, MCB, are used as solutions for protection. Thank you for watching this video on the basics of electricity.